It is necessary that the readers or the student or professor should understand that the written alphabet and names sometimes do not reflect the actual tongue and sound of names we the modern beings inherited in this earth. For example, in Ujumpatta, now Egypt, they are corrupted Igbo names such like Chisisi, and Chisisi Igbo original name will be Chisimdi, and Chisimdi means God say I shall live. The tongue speak Chisimdi, thus retaining the Ouwarre Bantusel roots. Next name will be Femi, and the corrupted name for Femi it is Chibu Infem, and Chibu Infem means God is my strength. And the pet name for Chibu Infem it is Ifem. The tongue speak Chibu Ifem, thus retaining its Igbo Bantusel origin. The commonest statement of origin is made by the tongue. GB, SH, NY, GW, KPBH full stop, DH, GH, NW, O, full stop. Next name will be Habasi, and split Habasi into two. Aba in the left side, while C in the right side. Aba, an Igbo name, a popular city in today's world Igbo land. Why C has no business matching with the word Haba or the name Haba, making it Abasi. The tongue speak Aba, thus retaining its Igbo Bantusel origin. The next final name it is Dendera. The original Igbo root name it is Chidera, and Chidera or Chidera means destiny cannot be changed, and Chidera pet name it is Dera. The tongue speak Chidera, thus retaining its Igbo origin. To the modern Igbo, the Bantustans, the above revelation make the entire Egypt the member of the family, the Bantustan, the children of the Igbo. To the readers or professors or followers, Anu is the son of Doro Emperor Agbaraike, the Igbo of Ouwarre. Anu is the short form of Anuforo. By 4000 BC, Anuforo was broken up at Unkanem, Uratta, Durueke of Ujumpatta, which means Sudan and Egypt. Anu became the god. Anu, while Foro became Fero the Kingly title, now Europeanized to Pharaoh.